Russian is one of the most popular languages in the world, spoken by over 260 million people. The Republic of Bashkortostan is the region of Russia where Russian language is taught at a high level. In Ufa, the capital of the region, in Bashkir State Pedagogical University, a center is open where foreigners from all over the world come to learn Russian quickly and efficiently. Why is it worth learning Russian in Bashkir State Pedagogical University? Because there are good quality of education, good prospects, safety, favorable living conditions, beneficial payment, rich culture and many attractions here. Let's consider these advantages in detail. Quality of education. BSPU is one of the leading pedagogical universities of Russia. It has the status of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization University. Considerable experience of teaching Russian for foreigners has been accumulated here. There are courses for beginners and advanced learners. Constant communication with native speakers helps in learning. Graduates can take certification exams in Russian as well as in a foreign language. Good prospects. Knowledge of the Russian language enables to learn at undergraduate, master and postgraduate studies, to study for bachelor's, master's and PhD programs in any Russian university, to practice journalism, to do business, to work in the civil service and in politics, and to establish contacts with different people. Safety. People of different cultures and religions live peacefully in Bashkortostan. There are representatives of more than 160 ethnic groups here. Local residents have tolerant attitude to different peoples. Favorable living conditions. Foreign students live in a comfortable student dormitory in double and quadruple rooms. There is a balanced pace of life and low cost of living in Ufa, with its over 1 million inhabitants. Beneficial payment. Studying at the preparatory department for foreigners is a little more than $1,000 a year. It's much less than in Moscow and St. Petersburg. At the preparatory department you can study free if you get a scholarship of the Russian government. Culture and attractions. Ufa is an ancient city which was founded in the 16th century. There are a lot of historical and beautiful buildings, parks, fountains and unique monuments, 8 universities, 9 theaters, several art galleries and 20 museums here. Bashkortostan is a land of amazing nature. Shikeni, the National Reserve Shulgan-Tash, the National Park Bashkiria, the mountain Arumel and other places are worth seeing. Welcome to us! We will be glad to see you at our university.